Hello everyone, this is Megha Irani. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to update you that I've started my new YouTube channel which is known as Rome. The meaning of Rome is starts with my and my husband's first two letters, which is Megha and Rumi, which is you can vice versa, it's Rumi or Megha. So need all of your support guys. We are gonna explore a lot of products here. We're gonna talk about travel, lifestyle, we're gonna review tech products, we're gonna talk about the beauty products and many more. So if you guys are interested in this space and if you guys have any questions or would like to review some products with us, please do mention in the comment section. We would love to hear your feedback and we would love to maybe review your products. Let's get started. So I have ordered my products from Nykaa and let's start the unboxing. So I'll let you know what is this product and what are we gonna review today. Thank you. So guys, summer is just around the corner and it's already hot. So I'm gonna review a product which is known as the Kama Ayurvedic Rose Water. It's a pure rose water. This product is just magical. I'm sure if you try this, it's really good. So this is the product guys. I hope you can see. So this beautiful rose water is from Kanuj, from North India. This is very similar to the Bulgarian rose water, Bulgarian rose I mean. So it's very refreshing, it's very good in summer. You just have to just wash your face, apply 3-4 pumps on your face and just wait to settle it down and see the magic. I mean, it's really good. I would definitely recommend this to all the ladies here, whoever is watching me out. Initially when I ordered this product, I ordered 50 ml. This is the 200 ml bottle. So I have also gone through a lot of reviews, a lot of channels I've watched, before buying any product. I'm sure all the ladies here definitely go for the reviews to see how the product is, whether it's worth buying it or no. You definitely calculate each penny of yours. So I also have gone through a lot of YouTube channels and I've come across this Kama Ayurvedic, and trust me girls, this is really good product. Really I would highly recommend this. And what the best about this product, it hydrates your skin. There's no irritation on your skin. It leaves your skin very healthy and natural. I also have tried the Forest Essential Pure Facial Tonic Mist. This is the one. It's slightly on an expensive side, though even I love Forest Essential. I'm a Forest Essential person, but I'm not very happy with this rose water, to be very honest with you. I also purchased this to see how it feels, how it looks, how you get a glow on your skin. But unfortunately it failed, for me at least. I don't know about you. Maybe it suits people, different skin tones, so I'm not very sure about that. But for me, Kama really worked very well, really. The benefit of this product is it's 100% natural. Even it says on the packaging here, the packaging is really very friendly, very pocket friendly, I would say. You can easily carry in your bag the small version of this bottle, and it hydrates your skin, as I said earlier, and it leaves your skin very refreshing. I think I've already used 2 of these bottles. I've been using this from past 2 months. This is my 3rd bottle, and this time I thought I'll order the bigger bottle just to see, because I'm really happy with this product. So without saying, I really want you all to buy. If you're really looking for a rose water in the summer, you can use this water whole day long. It's not necessary you use it only on morning or maybe at the bedtime. You can use it all day long. It's really very natural rose water. It's a pure rose water. The good part about this bottle is it comes in a plastic bottle with this cap and a pump to it, and I don't think there is any disadvantage of this bottle. The only the loophole of this bottle, I would say, is it's just on an expensive side little bit, but when you compare to Forest Essential, I think you can definitely go for this one. So I think it's worth the money. I mean, you will not regret it if you buy this product. It's really good. Please go for it. And it's 110, 20%, 30%. I would recommend this bottle to you all. And let me know how's the feedback. How did you like it? So as I said earlier, you get two sizes of this. This is the 200 ml. I have already used the 50 ml of this bottle. So this is my second bottle, and this is my third bottle which I ordered from Nykaa, and I got it today. And the 50 ml bottle, you get it for around 300. This is for 300, and the 200 bottle you get it for 1150. So along with this, I also got some complimentary products from Kama. I just like to show it to you all. It's a kit. There are some few giveaway products which I got it. This is the Kama brightening night cream which I got it. This is the 8 gram. I also received the face scrub from Kama. This is again 8 gram. Oh, the fragrance is really amazing. In fact, the fragrance for the rose water is very good. I mean, it's very natural. You will definitely like it. It's not strong enough. There are some people who don't like strong fragrances. This is very mild and it stays for long. It's good. This is the Bringadi intensive hair treatment oil. This is again 8 ml. I'm sure this is just to try some free products, and probably you can order it again. I'm definitely going to try this once because I'm in love with Kama nowadays. And again, oh wow, this is good. This is the Kama Ayurvedic pure rose water body mist, and this is really good. This is again 8 ml. This is probably you can carry in your purse, in your bag whenever you're traveling, or maybe even for a short time you can carry this easily. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, do share, do like, do comment, and I would love to revert back to your questions. If you have any questions, or if you like me to review any of your products, I would happy to do that. In fact, it would be a good experiment, and to review some products which you people like it, and let me also see if I like such products, and if I can also use those products. So happy to help you out. And if you like this, please definitely subscribe my channel. Probably I'm gonna review a lot of other products as well. To order this product, guys, I will share the product links in the description box below, where you can easily go to the Nykaa and purchase your product. Do hit the bell icon if you like my video, and probably you will definitely get my notifications whenever I'm doing the next video soon. And take care, my beauties. God bless.